Okay, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Wilson, and this opportunity I want to talk about if a jewelry is a good gift or not. Well, in my personal opinion, I think that it's up to you because if you have money, no problem. But remember that in our life, we have to make priorities in our lives, and we have to think firstly in this one. And and the another point, I think that if you have the good feeling about the other person, doesn't matter if you are going to give a jewelry or not, because the important thing is that your feelings. That's the important thing, in my opinion. But for example, let me tell you that if you don't think in a good way, you are negative. It's not good to give a present with this in this situation because you you are not to give with your real feelings. You you want to give them with her with your real life, with your real feelings, because you are thinking about the other person is thinking about you. Only for that reason, maybe you are going to give this kind of present. But on the contrary, if you have good feelings, you think in a good manner about the other person, and for example, you give only maybe a suit, a chocolate, but the important thing is that in the way that you will give that present. That's my personal opinion, and this in this topic. And thank you very much.